Roses. They come in a lot of colors, they are fragrant, and are a fun and enjoyable way to add beauty to your garden. I'm using an existing potting mix that's cheaply available in a Costco if you have one nearby. Make sure that you wear good protective gloves because roses do have thorns. You compact the soil very well along the side edges. Any kind of a rose or a bloom booster fertilizer works very well for roses. I just use a neem oil as a preventive measure for my rose plants, but I don't recommend that you use chemical treatments. Once the flowers start dying and they become like dark yellow to brown, you will need to start pruning these plants, and that will help you maintain the overall beauty of your garden. So there we have it, folks. That was our episode on growing roses. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and let me know what kind of roses do you grow. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We'll see you again soon. Happy gardening.